Hey, welcome back everyone. Today we're fast-forwarding into a mind-blowing what-if scenario. What if technology suddenly jumped 100 years ahead? Picture this. One morning you wake up and bam! Your phone's a hologram, cars fly, robots make your breakfast, and we've got stuff we can't even imagine yet. No slow progress, no decades of upgrades. Just an instant leap from 2025 to 2125 tech. Sounds like sci-fi heaven, right? Well, grab your hoverboard because we're diving into this futuristic frenzy. Let's start with the moment it happens. You roll out of bed and your alarm's not buzzing. It's a floating orb projecting your schedule in 3D. Your coffee maker? Now a bot that reads your mind and brews the perfect latte. Outside, cars lift off the ground, drones zip around delivering packages, and billboards beam ads straight into your brain. It's not just an upgrade, it's a total rewrite of everything we know. One second you're scrolling TikTok. The next you're jacked into a virtual universe with smells and feels. Daily life would flip upside down. Houses might self-clean, walls shifting, furniture folding into floors like magic. No more laundry, clothes repair themselves with nanobots. 3D printers whip up steak from thin air, tailored to your DNA. You'd never shop. Drones drop everything at your doorstep, paid with digital credits beamed from your wrist chip. But here's the catch. Could we handle it? Your grandma's still figuring out Wi-Fi. Now she's got a robot butler she can't turn off. Communication? Insane. Phones vanish, replaced by brain implants or holographic contacts. You'd think call mom, and she's there life-size, chatting from her flying pod. Social media? You're not posting pics. You're uploading full VR experiences of your day. Everyone's connected 24/7, thoughts shared instantly. Privacy? Toast. Every feeling, every dumb idea broadcast unless you master the off switch. Imagine accidentally thinking, my boss is a jerk, and whoops, it's public. Society would scramble to catch up. Jobs? Half gone. Robots and AI do everything from surgery to songwriting. You'd see baristas replaced by brewbots, teachers by holograms beaming lessons into kids' heads. New gigs pop up. Reality designers crafting VR worlds, or tech tamers fixing glitchy androids. But millions would be lost. What's my Excel spreadsheet worth when AI runs the world? Education races to retool. Kids learning quantum coding at 5 while adults panic. I just learned PowerPoint. Travel's a game changer. Cars don't just fly. They teleport, zapping you from New York to Tokyo in a blink. Planes? Obsolete. Why fly when you can beam into a Paris cafe's VR booth? Space tourism explodes. Weekend trips to Mars, selfies on Saturn's rings. Borders blur. You're a global citizen hopping continents like subway stops. But chaos hits. Air traffic's a mess of flying taxis, and teleport glitches might leave your luggage in Antarctica. The economy? Total reboot. Money's digital, tied to biochips. No cash, no cards, just a scan of your eye. Big tech rules. Apple's building space cities, Tesla's powering planets. Old industries collapse. Oil's useless when fusion reactors light the world. Wealth gaps widen. The rich live in floating mansions while others scrape by in VR slums. Crime shifts. Hackers don't steal wallets. They hijack your brain chip for ransom. Nature might breathe or choke. Clean energy could save us. Solar grids in orbit, zero-emission cities glowing green. Animals roam freer with less sprawl. But tech sprawl's a risk. Robot factories chewing up forests, space junk raining down. Weather controlled. Rain on demand, hurricanes zapped away. Yet glitches could backfire. Imagine a rogue AI flooding Florida because it misread sunny. Health leaps forward. No more cancer. Nanobots zap it before it starts. Organs regrow in labs, lifespan hits 150. You tweak your body. Blue eyes today, wings tomorrow. But mental health? Shaky. VR addiction traps people in perfect worlds. Real life feels dull. And ethics? Chaos. Who gets immortality? Rich folks only? Overpopulation looms as death slows down. Daily quirks would dazzle. Mirrors talk back. You look tired, want a facelift? Pets get upgrades. Fido's a cyborg with laser eyes. Dating? VR dates on Venus. Compatibility synced by AI. But confusion reigns. Your toaster's debating philosophy. Your shoes won't stop tracking your steps. Laws can't keep up. Is my robot clone me legally? When the shock settles, we'd adapt or crack. Some thrive, mastering tech like sci-fi heroes. Others rebel, craving the old days of 2025's clunky phones. Society might split, tech gods versus off-gridders rejecting it all. One day's leap could spark a century of change, or collapse. So, wrapping up, a 100-year tech jump would be a dazzling, chaotic ride, utopia for some, madness for others. Flying cars, brain chips, robot dogs. Could you roll with it or would you unplug and hide? Drop your wildest takes below. I wanna hear 'em. Like, subscribe and stick around for more what if craziness. Until next time, charge up for the future.